Contacts in email lists. From Dashboard, go to Email Broadcasts and down to All Contacts. From here, we are able to add users to email lists. As you can see, our email list has one email list set up, sign up for newsletter. Let's add some users from All Contacts into this list. Click All Contacts, select the users, and simply add to email list. However, we can also add all of our users by clicking in here and adding them to an email list. Simply check the button and click Add. As well as this, we can use advanced filtering. Up the top here, you can type a name or an email to filter users and add them using the same method. We're going to use advanced filtering now to apply a filter to only certain members inside of our site. I'm going to click Add Filter and we're going to choose the filtering option. You'll notice that we have a lot of options here. We can filter people based on join date, name contains, email contains, role, address contains, city contains, state contains, zip code or postcode contains, phone number contains, user tag contains, user tag does not contain, enrolled in course, enrolled via plan, not enrolled in a course, subscribed to a funnel, not subscribed to a funnel, completed course, not completed course, not in any list, country is EU consent, unsubscribed, registered in a live class, not registered in a live class, attended a live class, not attending a live class, registered in a webinar, not registered in a webinar, attended a webinar, not attended a webinar, email opened, email not opened, email clicked, email not clicked, email bounced, and finally not bounced. We have all of these options inside of here. I'm going to select enrolled in a course, and now I'm going to, from the options here, select the course. Let's just go and click one of these. How to easily create a course inside Zenler. Once you've set up your filtering, you need to apply it. Let's click Apply. Now I have 7 results from 15, and these are all users that are in the course How to easily create a course inside Zenler. We will now add those to the email list. Simply click this button to select all, or unselect certain members you do not wish to be inside that list. And the next thing to do is add to email list. Please note, if you have more than one email list, they will be shown here. So you can select multiple email lists and add users to those, or you can just select one. So I have 7 members inside this list, and I'm going to add them now. Notice 7 contacts selected. Click Add. Let's now go to our email list and see these 7 users added to the email list. And there we go. If you edit this, you can see those users in here, and you're also able to come in and delete those users out of this list. Whenever you delete users from a list, be aware they do not get removed from the system. They purely get removed from the email list. You also have the option here to export your contacts or copy these to another list if you have a multiple list set up. Let's delete one of our users now, this one here, and click Delete. And there we go. I've now removed that user from the list, giving 6 results inside our email list. This is how to use all contacts within your email broadcast section of the site.